What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. K, and you know the drill. So you made it through the intro, and I'm glad you did. This channel is something I've been thinking about doing for a very long time, and seeing how we're all quarantined for the next couple of weeks and I've already worked out 4 times today, I think this is the right time. So the content on this channel will be geared towards helping you make a more informed decision when talking about your diagnosis and proposed treatments with your dentist. The internet is filled with information about these dental subjects, but this information is either very complicated and geared towards dentists, or either not complete or
you are fake news.
But enough about you, let's talk about me. My name is Kareem, and I'm a dentist from Canada. I graduated from University of Montreal. I did a 1-year residency in the beautiful city of San Diego, and now I practice back in my hometown. I love boxing, singing, and giving people a beautiful smile. I would also love to get to know you, so please leave your questions down below because I will be answering a couple of them each week on my Q&A segment. These videos are educational, but I can't treat or diagnose anything through a screen, except treat that frown upside down, baby. So thank you for watching, keep flossing, and I'll see you on my next video. Mom, did you make me breakfast?
But don't say go before saying go. You have to say go when you press.
Noodle soup. Soup.
The drill. Zoom in. It's too late.